Hey, it's Bob Container. Sorry if it's a bit loud. We are on site at a beautiful property here. We made a 50-foot container into a home, or almost into a home, and there's a very specific reason why we stopped here. So we call this built to order or DIY, built to order for home builders, DIY for those who want to get their hands dirty and their own finish. But this is what we can do off-site in our factory if it has to go through traditional permitting channels. The inspectors want to see the wood studs exposed, make sure we did everything to code, which we always do, how we run the wires, how we run the plumbing, everything. And then we stop there, then we deliver it, get it set on the foundation, get it secured, welded to the foundation. Now the inspector will come and see our great work, our great craftsmanship. They'll sign off, and then we can move on to the next phase and slip the wall. So, very specific way of doing it. We always find a way to build it fully off-site through our permitting team. But in case for some reason the local building county official doesn't want that, they don't understand that, this is what we can do to get it 60% done and finish it the rest on site. Still really good savings, still comes together faster than a normal house. So, pretty simple, it's a no-brainer here at Bob Containers.